The controversial Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has unveiled what it terms gender and disability inclusion policies, which critics say are the latest smokescreen in its strategic plan to rig the 2028 general elections. Sanabena mashoko kuda panguva ino ichinzi aiwa ZEC panguva ino yakuprepare kuda kubika mapolls emuna 2028. Aiwa mastrategies avakuda kuimplementa ekuriga vanhu vamaonera pachine nguva. Ndoti subscribe like watomba bell icon. Tipinda muno mobile mchinzi. The new framework covering the period 2025 to 2029 was launched in Harare on Wednesday under the guise of promoting inclusive democratic processes. ZEC claims the policies are designed to enhance the participation of women and persons with disabilities in all aspects of the electoral cycle, including voting, candidate registration, voter education, and the provision of accessible polling infrastructure. Successful implementation hinges on the active participation of all stakeholders. We want to affirm our commitment to ensuring every citizen is afforded an opportunity to exercise their democratic rights, said ZEC chairperson. Justice Priscilla Chigumba adding that the agenda policy provides equal opportunities for men and women to actively participate in democratic elections. However, critics view this as part of a well-worn strategy by ZEC to present a reformist image while laying the groundwork for yet another compromised election. Over the years, the electoral body has faced widespread allegations of partisanship, ballot manipulation, voter fraud, and opaque handling of election results, charges that have consistently undermined public trust in Zimbabwe's electoral processes. The newly launched policies are aligned with President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 and the National Development Strategy (NDS1), which the government claims promote inclusive governance and social justice. Yet observers argue that such alignments merely reinforce ZEC's subservience to the ruling ZANU-PF party and its long-term political survival project. Ndoma shikarubuda panguva ino vanhu vachikondema aiwa maplans ari kuitwa nana Chigumba panguva ino aiwa ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vanhu vari kunyasa kuona kuti vangona vakaronga kuda kuriga ma-elections. Tizive mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda kuma section yedu, subscribe, like, chatombe bell icon.